Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make two delicious street food recipes. You can make and enjoy these recipes in this quarantine time. These are simple recipes. I'll share the link for the bajji batter recipe in the description box. Let's get started. Wash the chilies and wipe it dry. Make a slit and deseed the chilies and keep them aside. I'm using one big potato, boiled and mashed, one onion, finely chopped, a few curry leaves, two green chillies chopped, add some coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all of this potato mixture well. Also I'm adding quarter teaspoon of ajwain, also called omam. It's very good for digestion. Crush it and add them. Whenever you use gram flour or chickpea flour, always use omam. Now let's fill the chilies with potato mixture. Take a little in a spoon and fill them very gently. If you press hard, it may break, so be very gentle. Likewise, we'll fill all the chilies and keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan or kadai. Once the oil is hot enough, bring it to medium heat. Dip the stuffed chilies in the batter. When you make these types of bhajis, batter should be thick like this. If it's runny, it will not stick to the chilies. Drop into the oil very carefully. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. Gently turn the other side. Fry them until golden brown. Tasty stuffed chilli is ready. Make this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. Transfer to a kitchen towel and serve it hot. Let's make the second recipe. Even this one is very simple. Let's start making by whisking 2 eggs in a bowl. Add a few chopped coriander leaves, 2 green chilies chopped, and 1 chopped onion. Quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, little less than quarter teaspoon of salt. Whisk it once again to blend all the ingredients well. It's omelette time. Just add 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot enough, bring it to medium heat. Add the egg mixture. Spread it well. Add a chapati or a tortilla bread on the egg. Press it gently so that the chapati will stick well to the egg. Cook for a minute. Now carefully turn it over. Wow, Looks so delicious. Here I'm using beef shemi kebab. For shemi kebab recipe, I'll share the link in the description box. Just check it out. You can add any fillings of your choice. You can add chicken, you can add some gravies or any leftover veggies. Even just the egg is also fine. Add some sliced onions. It will give that crunchiness when you bite on it. Add a few mint and coriander leaves, finely chopped. Grate some Parmigiano cheese or mozzarella cheese or any cheese you have at home. You can use cheese spread also. Use it generously. Yummy. Add some black pepper powder, just a little. Fold both sides. Our roll is ready now. Serve it hot with some ketchup. Do try this recipe at home. Share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Happy cooking.